Dopamine Detox, reset your brain in 7 days. Right now, your brain is hijacked by social media, Netflix, junk food. They've rewired your reward system. That's why you can't focus, why you feel restless, and why real life feels dull. But here's the truth: you can reset your brain in just 7 days. It's called a dopamine detox, and once you do it, you'll see life in high definition again. What is dopamine, really? Dopamine is not pleasure, it's the anticipation of reward. Every ping, every notification, every swipe is like a micro hit of dopamine. In small amounts, it's fine. But when constant, your baseline drops, so you need more just to feel normal. Modern life is a constant buffet of instant rewards, so your brain never rests, never recovers, and never truly feels satisfied. Think of dopamine like volume on your headphones. You've been blasting it at max volume for years, now you can't hear the subtle sounds of life anymore. The problem with constant stimulation, the dopamine loop, is simple. Boredom, right pointing arrow, distraction, right pointing arrow, quick hit, right pointing arrow, repeat. It leads to brain fog, low motivation, and shorter attention spans. Science shows overstimulation reshapes your neural pathways, making deep focus harder. Spiritually, constant stimulation pulls you away from being present. You stop truly feeling life as it happens. What is a dopamine detox? A dopamine detox is a structured break from high dopamine activities to let your brain reset to a healthier baseline. It doesn't mean no dopamine, that's impossible and unhealthy. Instead, you reduce or eliminate artificial, instant reward activities for a set period of 7 days, so your brain can find balance again. The 7-day reset plan. Day 1. Audit your triggers. Write down every activity that gives you quick, artificial rewards: social media, binge watching, gaming, junk food, porn, constant music, news. Refreshing. Awareness is half the battle. Day 2. Replace, don't just remove. Don't just take away. Replace high dopamine triggers with low dopamine, high-value activities: reading, walking, journaling, meditation, creative work. Day 3. Control your environment. Hide apps, mute notifications, keep temptations out of sight. Make your environment work for you, not against you. Day 4. Embrace boredom. Let your mind wander. This is when creativity and problem-solving peak. Day 5. Deep work session. Pick one important task and do it without distraction for at least 60 to 90 minutes. Notice how much you get done. Day 6. Mind-body reset. Exercise, hydrate, eat real food. Physical health supports mental clarity. Day 7. Reflection and re-entry. Journal what changed: your focus, mood, creativity, motivation. Decide what habits to keep and which to limit. The benefits you'll feel: sharper focus, higher energy, deeper satisfaction from simple things. More patience, less anxiety. Rekindled passion for real-life experiences, nature, conversation and hobbies. Ability to do deep work without the constant urge to check your phone. Long-term integration. A detox isn't a punishment, it's a reset button. Slowly reintroduce activities, but in moderation. Protect your brain like it's the most valuable asset you own, because it is. This is Motivator. We give you the mindset shifts no one taught you in school. If you're ready to stop chasing fake success and start living with real purpose, subscribe now. And drop a comment. What's the biggest distraction you're letting go of this week? More real talk coming next week.